Warning: use headphone for best result.
Hello, welcome to my channel Mema93. This video, my name is Gustavo. Sound variation. Okay, let's go the video. This is the original video.
Hello, and welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos family. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Sus.
Gustavo like teleport. Gustavo like Robert.
Hello, and welcome to Los Pollos Hermanos. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Sus.
Gustavo like reverse.
Sus, im rock me kushna, ovat suksemienam, en mäfson ambrasojo, soladut maklaune. Hola.
Gustavo like double speed.
Hello, and welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos family. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Sus.
Gustavo like half speed.
Hello, and welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos family. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Sus.
Gustavo like quarter speed. Gustavo in stadium.
Hello, and welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos family. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Sus.
Gustavo in large space.
Hello, and welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos family. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Sus.
Gustavo in large tank inside. Gustavo like a baby.
Hello, and welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos family. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Sus.
Gustavo like a devil.
Hello, and welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos family. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Sus.
Gustavo like a high bass.
Hello, and welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos family. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Sus.
Thank you for watching my video and subscribe Mema93.